The definition of monomials and polynomials. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are monomials? 2. What is their structure? 3. What are the components of a monomial? 4. What is a polynomial? What is the difference between a polynomial and an algebraic expression? 5. What does a term of a polynomial represent? 6. What is the difference between coefficients and constants in a polynomial? 7. What is the degree of a polynomial? How do we find it? 8. How do we name polynomials based on their degree? 9. How do we find the value of polynomials? 10. What are the zeros of a polynomial? How would you find them? 11. How do you find the zeros of high-order polynomials? 12. What are homogeneous and non-homogeneous polynomials? How do you know which of these categories a polynomial does belong? Introduction. Do you remember from the 6th chapter what algebraic expressions are? What do they consist of? What do we call the elements of an algebraic expression? Which mathematical operators separate the terms of an algebraic expression from each other? Which mathematical operators are closer to each other and which of them are hardly combined? In this tutorial, we will explain monomials and polynomials, two fundamental concepts of algebra. Since polynomials are similar to algebraic expressions, we will explain them based on the concepts explained in the 6th chapter of this course. That is all for introduction to the definition of monomials and polynomials. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 11.1.1, the definition of monomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.